In this video, we'll show you the basics to begin using your HRM-Fit heart rate monitor. First, you'll want to make sure to choose a medium or high support sports bra with a snug fitting band. This will help the heart rate monitor remain securely in place and reduce movement during activities. An ideal bra fit should allow 2 fingers to fit comfortably underneath the bra band. If you can fit more than 2 fingers or easily pull the band away from your body, it might be too stretchy for your HRM-Fit. Avoid zipper front bras. The zipper might interfere with the clips. Avoid long-line bras. They cause the HRM-Fit to sit too low on your torso. Bras with very narrow bands may not have enough material to clip the heart rate monitor onto. Once you've chosen the right bra, you're ready to attach your HRM-Fit. Before you clip on the device, make sure you wet the electrodes. This will help improve the accuracy of your heart rate reading, especially before you start sweating. Next, begin clipping on the HRM-Fit. Start with the center clip, followed by the side clips. Make sure the band goes onto the correct slot within the clip. When installing the side clips, lightly pull the sports bra band toward the center while you snap the clips in place. After securing each clip, make sure the full length of the heart rate monitor lays flat against your skin so you get the most accurate reading possible. And that's all you need to know about wearing your HRM-Fit. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.